If you prefer to use the head strap, remove the ear loops from the mask and replace with the head strap supplied. Grasp the head strap by the top and bottom adjusting beads and let the head strap droop to find the halfway point. Insert the halfway point of the strap around the mount on either side of the mask so that the adjustment beads are directly at the top and the bottom. Hold the mask to your face, pull the bottom strap over your head, adjust the mask into a comfortable position, then pull the top strap over your head. Adjust the mask straps until comfortable. To remove, hold the mask with one hand. With the other hand, pull the top strap over your head, followed by the bottom strap, while holding the mask away from your face.